Jesus Christ, it's the psychotic loggerhead shrike. They are often called butcher birds due to them capturing insects, small birds, and rodents and impaling them on thorns or barbed wire. This behavior is thought to help them tear apart their prey and store it for later consumption. Or maybe they just enjoy the violence like the sickos they are. These rude-ass birds will also engage in nest parasitism, which means they will lay their own eggs in other birds' nests. Wow, what a douche. They are also gangsters because they will call for their buddies to bully a predator out of their territory. Tell me what animal you want to see next in the comments. Like and subscribe for more fun facts and factoids.